this is the shur on Tefilla. We got to Tefilla of leDavid. We talked about how powerful this Tefilla is. And this Tefilla is right after Anna, after Rachema, Shemone Esrei, Lavon Shemone Esrei, I say Makubab Hashem, and then saying Vidu. We say Vidu at this time because we were very close to our for acceptance of Rol Malchut Shamayim. We understand what does it mean to do a sin. Somebody who knows his father, knows the kindness of father, somebody else is ignorance. He doesn't know anything. When he says, we say, my father, please forgive me, there's two different types of sin. Here we got to a dark level. Understand HaKadosh Baruch Hu, the Malchut of Hashem. Then we understand the consequence of the sin. What does sin mean? How shameful it is. Then once we see all of these things, we are ready for such a beautiful Tefillah, leDavid. Now, if you notice, leDavid goes by Aleph Bet. Now, it starts with Aleph Gimel and goes further to the top. Now, if you notice, there are three letters that start in this Tefillah. Bet, Vav, and Kuf. How come Bet, Vav, and Kuf are not in the Tefillah? Hashem says, because this Tefillah is a very special Tefillah, Mosel Nefesh. We give over our soul to Hashem. We give over ourselves to Hashem. We understand Hashem is the source of whatever that we have. And it's so powerful that anything that a person has intention in this Tefillah would happen. Therefore, it's very important Tefillah. Now, they say better Vav Kuf becomes book. Book is a reference to Gehinam, some type of Gehinam. Therefore, in such a powerful Tefillah that we get close to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, we don't want to have reference of book, which is Gehinam, not reference of that. That's why we don't say that, and it shows the glory of this Tefillah. Therefore, we have to try to say it all Kabbalah. Now, if you notice in Ayin and Peh, by Ayin we say, Enai Hamid El Hashem. My eyes always is to Hashem, to Yotze Mereshet like God, because He releases Mereshet from trap, my feet. He saves me from trap in life. Pen Elai Bechoneni, turn to me and be gracious to me. Ki Yachid Ve'oni Oni. Because alone and poor I am. See, the highlight of the Tefillah, the highlight of that HaKadosh Baruch Hu is to understand this Tefillah that we are saying this to Pesuk. One pastor says, Hashem, Enai Hamid El Hashem. Now, a lot of times, some people, their eyes is to HaKadosh Baruch Hu once in a while. Some people, Kippur to Kippur. Some people, Rosh Hashanah Kippur. Some people, Chodesh to Chodesh. Some people weekly, some people daily. But Enai Hamid El Hashem, it's a different type of understanding that we are in turbulence. All the time in HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Every second, every minute, we need Hashem. Enai Hamid El Hashem. In other words, imagine somebody got stuck someplace, is captive, and some people, they promise to save him. Every second, every minute is waiting, it's awaiting. Now it's coming, now it's coming, now it's coming. Now Yeshua comes. Now in this world also, it's a turbulent life. Anything could happen. Any wave could come. They will, Enai Hamid El Hashem. My eyes is always to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Now, once we get this perspective of we need HaKadosh Baruch Hu all the time, we get a new understanding of life. In other words, if somebody says that I need a bodyguard once a year, good. Reuben is a nice bodyguard. He could do the job for me. If you feel that you need once a month, Shimon is a very good bodyguard once a month. If you need a bodyguard for a weekly basis, good, this person could do it. But if we realize we are living in a life that every second, every minute, we need HaKadosh Baruch Hu. We need somebody to help us, get us out. Then we understand there is nobody to help us except HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Nobody is ready to help and to be protected every second and every minute of life. Therefore, saying this tefillah, we come to realization, Enai Hamid El Hashem, my eyes are not relying on people, are not relying on my business, are not relying on my health, are not relying on my capability, my mind. my policy, my cabinets, my country, my politics. My eyes is towards you because I understand I need every second and minute of my life your help. Curiosity like that. Because he releases, takes out from trap my feet. Any place is a trap. Trap catches a person, hospital person could lose life, could lose Olam Haba. In other words, everybody could make a wrong turn in his life and it's gone. It's gone. A lot of times we talk to people that are gone, married, going, got to drug. And what happened? What happened to you? Rabbi, forgive me. One time I make a wrong turn, and that turn led me to here. I went to a place that I shouldn't have gone. I got a friend that I should never have become friend with him. I got into a business that I should never have become. I got involved in something that I shouldn't, and little by little it took me there. Therefore, I need pure simulation like that. A lot of times something comes on your way, and you feel it's so good, so appealing. And what Hashem is doing, Hashem is taking you out of a trap. You don't see the trap, but Hashem sees it. Now somebody whose eyes is toward the HaKadosh Baruch Hu, measure by measure. You are paying attention to Hashem, Hashem pays attention to you. Your eyes is toward the HaKadosh Baruch Hu. No, that's the way the HaKadosh Baruch Hu deals with the creatures. If you depend on him, he looks after you. If you leave him, go and rely on people, rely on all different things. Hashem says, okay, good, let them take care of you. You don't need me. Therefore, this Tefilla says, in night time with Hashem, you say, like God, turn to me and be gracious to me. Please. Why? Somebody is fine. Everything goes well. Okay, if you help me also it's very good. I like it. I like more help. But somebody is in dungeon. Somebody sees there's no life. I got nothing. I need your help. Says Ki, David HaMelech says, Yachad Kollel. First of all, I'm alone. There's nobody to help me. Now, if you tell him and you learn Shemuel, the history of David HaMelech, you see that whatever that he says here is not literature, it's not a poem. It's the reality of his life. He felt so lonely. All of the friends, everybody left him. His officers, his general of army, everybody left him. And Yachid, we're on, and I'm poor. I'm the Melech, I'm the king. I got nothing. Even my child is rebelling against me. Yachid, we're on. I'm lonely. See, a lot of times in life, we rely on illusion of reality. We feel this helps us. This could lead us. This could take us. Everybody relies on that. Everybody feels this gives him the existence and support. Now, David HaMelech, he was a king, and he came to a realization. He was a very powerful king, captured the world, but he came to a realization. Yachid ve'ani. There is a big difference. How do you relate to HaKadosh Baruch Hu? You relate to Hashem, it's nicer. I have Hashem also. On my side is nicer. Baruch Hashem, I'm fine. Becomes much better. Why not? Or, Pen elai, v'choneni, Yachid ve'ani. First, you have to understand, on Yachid and Ani, then you haven't HaKadosh Baruch Hu differently. Then you relate differently. You say differently. Like Rav Shlomo says that Tachanunim Rosh Yedaber. Shlomo says Tachanunim Rosh Yedaber. Tachanun is begging. We want to understand what's begging. What does begging mean? Rosh Yedaber. Somebody who got nothing. He needs bread for the night. Otherwise, he dies. He knows how to beg. Somebody, everything goes well. Everything is going well, and everything doesn't know how to beg because it's luxury for him. Therefore, Shlomo says, Tachanunim Rosh Yedaber. You want to know how to beg HaKadosh Baruch Hu, you have to say Rosh, a poor person, how does he talk? He talks like that. Therefore, he says, Penai v'choneni, Yachid ve'ani. Therefore, this Tefilla is giving us a mood. What the Tefilla should be, how should we daven and beg HaKadosh Baruch Hu for his panim and to be gracious to us.